did you guys know that you could add a text alternative to your listing images so that your products are accessible to blind and low vision individuals? I bet you didn't know that. Now, it is essential to add the image description for each of your listings so that your products are accessible to everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining what makes a great image description. I'm going to be showing you how to add this text alternative that I'm talking about. And I'm also wanted to let you guys know it positively impacts your listing search engine optimization as well. So let's go ahead and start with how to write a great image description. So the best practices that Etsy recommends when it comes to writing the image description is to include the following. 1, describe your product details, what it looks like, the texture, and scale related to other items in your photos as well. Think about what buyers would lose out on it if your images didn't load on the page. And keep the description concise, and you could add up to 250 characters. So here's an example directly from Etsy. And this is the photo that you see on the screen, and this is the text alternative that they have added. Wash display holder rests on a table made of a long wooden block base with 3 thick round columns sticking up enough for a wash band to sit sideways. Customizable text etched into the block base, washed out edge into top of the middle column. So as you can see, they're very detailed on the actual photo. Now, I also wanted to let you guys know if you're having a hard time getting found on the search results and you want to drive more traffic to your Etsy store, make sure to grab my Etsy SEO guide. I will leave the link in the description box below. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you on how to add the text alternative. So let's head over to my computer. All right, so here we are on my Etsy store. And the first step that you need to do is click on Shop Manager. And once you click on Shop Manager, you're going to get this dashboard here. Make sure that you click on Listings. And keep in mind that you're able to go back and edit old listings, and you're also able to add the actual text to new listings as well. So let's say you want to edit an old listing that you have, just click on it. It will automatically open. And you see this little pencil on the left corner right here. You're going to click on the pencil, and that's going to give you the little box where you would add your alternative text. Keep in mind, like I said, this is going to make your products visible to everyone, and it's going to also help you with your SEO. So it's great for both reasons, right? And it's going to amplify your traffic for sure. And what I would do is whatever text you add here, just copy and paste and add it to every single picture that you have, no matter what the picture is about. Just add it. It doesn't hurt, and it might potentially drive you even more traffic back to your store. But this is how simple it is to add your alternative text. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to use it. And thanks for watching.